Everything changes in life, but the core principles and skills of a high-value man have remained constant since the dawn of humanity. This topic has fascinated men from ancient Romans to Greeks to Spartans. Many have pondered over the essential skills a high-value man must possess. Scholars have written extensively on this subject, often arriving at similar conclusions. Let's explore these insights by first defining what a high-value man is. A high-value man is competent and effective in his world. He handles himself with poise and capability in any situation, acting rationally rather than impulsively. The skills we will discuss are designed to help you stand out among men, enhancing your confidence and capability in your roles as a procreator, protector, and provider. Skill 1. Be able to defend yourself. The world is and will always be a dangerous place. It's crucial to be prepared to defend yourself and your family. This preparation begins with a defensive mindset, staying observant and ready for any circumstances. Minimize distractions like texting or excessive phone use, which can train your brain to overlook details. Engage in physical training, such as martial arts or boxing, to enhance your self-defense capabilities. Skill 2. Listen to others. What I mean is, listening is a critical skill for personal and professional growth. Learn to keep quiet and absorb the wisdom of those more experienced than you. Your ability to listen actively and understand others profoundly impacts your career and relationships. In our modern era, many listen merely to respond rather than to understand, leading to misunderstandings and conflicts. Cultivate the art of listening to foster growth and empathy. Number 3. Understand the importance of your life. Recognize and prioritize the essentials of your life, which will differ for every individual. Identify the top 5 values that give your life meaning, be it your relationship with God, your craft, your family, or simple joys like being pain-free. Structure your life around these values. Assess how you spend your time and align it with these priorities, cutting out activities that don't support your goals. Skill 4. Achieve financial maturity. Financial maturity involves taking the necessary steps to reach financial adulthood. It means becoming financially secure and independent to some degree. This entails having sufficient assets and generating enough income to support yourself and your family. Begin by educating yourself about personal finances. If you're a novice, start with the basics that schools often overlook: understanding debt, savings, cash flow, budgeting, and expenses. Learn about job market trends, lending practices, cost of living, stock market dynamics, and interest rates for savings, mortgages, and credit cards. Establish an emergency fund that remains untouched unless absolutely necessary. Just as in other aspects of your life, financial discipline is crucial. While creating a business or setting up passive income streams is beneficial, they are meaningless without follow-through. Develop self-control to avoid irresponsible spending. Prioritize saving and investing before making any purchases. Skill 5. Be self-reliant. Ask yourself if you could survive on your own if isolated from others. This survival trait is essential for every man. It encompasses both complex activities and simple tasks. For instance, if you can change a tire without calling for roadside assistance, you're on the path to self-reliance. Learn to handle minor repairs around the house instead of hiring someone. This adds valuable skills to your repertoire. Self-reliance extends beyond physical tasks. To truly become self-reliant, you must dig deep and make internal changes. The most significant aspect of this is independent thinking. Don't blindly accept societal norms. Detach from the prevailing mindset and be a voice of truth. Skill 6. Never lose your curiosity. As children, we found everything interesting. Over time, life can become exhausting and monotonous, causing us to lose our curiosity. It's vital to retain this curiosity. Asking why in every situation is a crucial skill. Curiosity drives you to explore new ideas and experiences, leading to continuous learning and growth. It often outperforms motivation. It fuels your desire to understand and innovate. If you can ignite the spark of curiosity, learning becomes an effortless and ongoing process. 7. Know your worth. Your worth is not solely defined by your achievements. While striving for improvement is important for success, it's essential to detach your self-worth from your career. View yourself and your career as two interdependent entities that benefit each other. This separation allows you to redefine success and find fulfillment beyond professional accomplishments. Understand your intrinsic value, independent of external factors like money, career, or physical fitness. Being self-reliant and content with yourself ensures that your self-worth remains intact, regardless of external circumstances. This is number 8. Accept yourself. In the journey to become the best version of yourself, perfection is unattainable. Accept that you are not perfect and will make mistakes. Embrace yourself for who you are, focusing on your strengths rather than dwelling on your flaws. Continuous growth and self-improvement are important, but so is self-acceptance. Identify and nurture your positive qualities. By doing so, you'll maintain a balanced and realistic self-view, fostering personal growth without unnecessary self-criticism. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more insights on leveling up as a man.